Hey guys, it's Christy and today I am filming an unboxing of the MacBook Pro. It is the 13-inch with a whole bunch of stuff that means not much to me. So, that noise in the background is Rusty. He is squeaking his little toy. Me and my mom went and got new computers today. My MacBook Air I got in 2011, so it's quite old. It doesn't have any more memory and all that good stuff. So, oh my goodness, Rusty. That's the box. It's kind of hot doing it this way, so just pull this up like this. I got it in the space gray color. It is 13 inches. My other one is 11 inches. It looks like this. Oh, that's so satisfying. Oh yes, very pretty. I got the one without the touch bar at the top. I wanted the one with the touch bar, but the guy put in the wrong one, and then we had already left, and I was like, whatever, it doesn't really matter. So that's this one. Mom, can I have yours? Oh, okay. And then it comes with this little USB-C cord thing and the USB-C adapter, and then some card things with information. And I got, I don't have, oh yeah, here it is. I got the in-case hard shell, just the clear one. And then the USB Type-C to USB because it doesn't have a USB port. And my mom got the same case, but she got the MacBook Air. So let's see what that one looks like. Playing. All right. Hers is the 13.3-inch MacBook Air. Same type of thing, you just lift the top off. So hers is 2 inches bigger than mine was too. Wow. Very, very sleek. She just got the gray one. Or the silver. This is the silver one, because I guess that was the only color they come in. And let's open up hers. Oh, very pretty. Look at that big old trackpad. So yeah, that's hers. Hers looks like, oh, I guess it's not that. And she got the wall, let's see, I don't know. Oh, this is the one to make it like longer. Actually, I think I have one of those for my other computer here. And then she has the little one that's like attached and has like the little magnetic thing. And then she has some papers, and that's it. Those are the MacBook Air, the new one, and the MacBook Pro. Alright guys, I'll see ya.